There.
Ours are better. You guys suck. Maybe.
Come on.
Come on, there we go.
Okay.
That's pretty good. It lasted a minute.
Oh, don't smell your hands.
I know.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a weird smell.
Yeah. He's right there.
Uh-huh. Red, green, and yellow.
Whoa!
We're choking on the cake. Stick one in the ground and hang on to one, Lindsay.
Oh, she stuck a whole bunch in the ground.
Yeah,
Oh.
she stuck quite
Oh.
a bit of them into
Let's
the
see,
ground.
Jeremy.
Huh?
Get out of the way. Oh, okay. That's cool.
These are those other... Oh, those are those like little things or whatever that you put up in a whatever that plastic thingy. Here's one of these. And then I'll get this one situated. On that name.
Jeremy, get out of the way. Stick another one in the ground, Lindsay.
I gotta wait until that one fully.
No, you don't. Just stick some other ones away from it.
These other ones will use for later. Yeah. Oh, wow. Show stacker on this one. Oh, that's cool. Oh!
Wow.
Yeah.
I think that was only a dollar.
First warmer, yeah.
That was only $1?
Yeah.
Wow.
Those were only $1 at Walmart.
Oh, wow.
Kurt, you're in my video quite a lot.
Yeah, I know. All you can see is black shadow with legs. That's all I can see on mine is this black T-shirt with legs. And a cigarette in his face.
Oh, that's different. Yep. Give it a moment.
Oh, that's neat.
Smoky.
Hey, don't let another one. You guys are gonna have a video of what I'm gonna do.
Oh dear Lord. 20 of these little, yeah.
Little ones.
Yeah, those little dudes or whatever, Kurt.
Oh, you gotta light them off?
Yeah, individually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
got
how
some.
about them? You're welcome.
Yeah, we'll do those towards the end.
I have a whole bunch of them, I do.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Yeah, we got.
Box right here.
Yeah, then I think you got a few sitting over there.
Oh, no, I got them
Oh, you
all.
moved them?
Yeah, I moved them.
Good.
Excuse you.
Yeah, it's all kicking
Now, have to keep like
in.
this.
Yeah, we already smoked out the neighborhood.
Mm-hmm.
There's those two.
Everybody is recording.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's cool.
Yeah. Hey, she found use for them.
Uh-huh. She has what? How many boxes do you have left? You can do a whole bunch of stuff with that.
If she wants to lay them off, go for it.
No.
Get them used up.
Yep.
Oh,
Gotta stand that one up in the ground too.
That's what I just got done doing.
looks like that one's moving quicker than that one.
Yeah.
It's because that one was the first.
First one to lit.
Oh.
Remember? That's how I lit them all.
Oh. Well, I wasn't paying attention. I was helping Kurt.
Stick some more in the ground, Lindsay.
Hold on.
She has to wait. She has to wait till.
Well, she don't have to wait. She can wait. Stick some other ones.
She has to wait.
If I'm gonna grab, I want
Because she has to grab the other ones.
Yeah, she wants to pull the other ones out.
Otherwise,
You're not gonna be able to see them.
We'll just mow 'em over on the lawnmower.
No, I'm not ruining my lawnmower of that.
Those things like.
That's metal that's down there.